Number 12, which is the equation of a line with a slope of -2 and passed through the point -2, 0? So if we look at our answer choices, it says y plus 2x equals -4, y minus 2x equals 4, y plus 2 equals -2x, and then y minus 4x equals 2. Our goal is going to be to get each of our answer choices into y equals mx plus b form, because then we'll know what our slope is. So if you remember, y equals mx plus b, m represents your slope, and b represents your y-intercept. So if we have a slope of -2, that means my equation is going to have to look like y equals -2x plus some number that we don't really know yet, or plus b. Now, after we rearrange our equations to that -2x plus b form, then we're basically just going to go to y equals and hit second graph and see which of these equations has -2, 0 on it. So if I look at choice 1, it says y plus 2x equals -4, sorry. So to get the y by itself, I'm going to subtract 2x, and then I have y equals -2x minus 4. So right now that equation has a slope of -2. It could be that answer. Now I'm going to look at choice 2, which says y minus 2x equals 4. I'm going to add 2x to both sides of my equation. And then I get y equals 2x plus 4. So that one's actually going to be incorrect because that has a slope of 2, not -2. Now I'm going to rearrange choice 3. Y plus 2 equals -2x. So I'm going to bring the 2 over by subtracting 2. And then I get y equals -2x minus 2. So it could be choice 3 because that does have a slope of -2. Now if I look at choice 4, I'm going to rearrange it. So I have y minus 4x equals 2. I'm going to add 4x, and then I get y equals 4x plus 2. Now I can cross out choice 4 now because that has a slope of 4, not -2. So now I'm going to go to y equals. I'm going to type in choice 1's rearranged form to see if -2, 0 lies on it. So I'm going to go to y equals and type in -2x minus 4, hit second graph. And if I look at -2, I do get 0, so it is going to be choice 1. Now, if I look at choice 3, which we said could be the answer, but we now know it's wrong because it's got to be choice 1, I'm now going to type in -2x minus 2. And then I'm going to hit second graph. And if I look at -2, I don't get 0, I get 2. So that is why it cannot be choice 3. Because at choice 3, I get -2, 2.